To hide apps on the Samsung Galaxy A57, we can find actually two methods. The first one, we have to go for settings. Now we have to go for home screen settings. Then we have to scroll down and the first option is available here, hide apps on home and apps screen. And how it looks. For example, I want to hide my browser. So I'm clicking here, clicking done. And now as you can see, the browser is not visible. If I'm gonna input the browser phrase, it will not here. But the weak side of this one is a fact that when you open the Galaxy Store and input the browser phrase over here, well, what a surprise, we'll be able actually to open it. So it actually hides this, but if someone knows that trick, then it will be able to open your app. If you want to find this more secure option, well, you will have to open the settings one more time, go to the security and privacy, open more security settings, and you will have to create the secure folder. When you open this for the first time, you will have to accept a lot of permissions, wait around 1 minute for the creating process, and then set a screen lock for your secure folder. But how it actually works, after you set it up, you will be redirected into this place. Oh, there we go. Let me just open it. Here we go. You will be redirected here. And now take a look. If I want to, for example, hide my Instagram application, I can add it, put it here. And now I have to go outside and uninstall this from my phone. Then I have to just log into the secure folder one more time, log in here, and now I have to go to log and exit. And nobody knows that I have Instagram on my phone.